Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure the different navigation in the panel topology. If you click here, you can find this setting, trend, and alarm. So we will learn how we can configure this icon, how we can configure this text, and how we can configure different types of screen in the WinCC OA. So let's jump to the configuration part. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. We just start the our project. Click OK. Okay. So let's come here and I will. Here is our first screen, that is overview screen. Now I will put this page one. I will rename the page one and I will put it this for my setting. This is my setting screen, and page two I will also modify. This is for example for the trend. Okay, and I will change. For example, I will copy it from here, this overview, and Control C. I will put it here. I will remove this page two and Control V. Okay, and I will put this position 0x, 0x and y, and after that I will first change the text. For example, this is my setting page. Setting. I select first this this rectangular, then press the control key, then setting, and that will bring it in the middle of the. Okay. Similar manner, I will save it. Similar manner for the this trend page also. I will remove this and control V, and we'll change this text. For example, I will put the trend. Okay. This I will put in the x-axis 0 and y-axis 0. It will perfectly move on the top upper corner. Then I will select this rectangle, select the text, and then I will put in the middle of. Save it. Now I will create one more panel. So I will come here and right click, add a new panel. This panel name I will put the alarm. Okay. Click OK, and then double click. I will put the resolution that here I have. Okay, for example, I will put 18, 18.0 and 9. Okay, now I will change the panel background color. Click here and we'll select the color. Okay, now I will paste the same that I already copied. This I will put it in the x-axis 0 and y-axis also 0. And okay, and then this one I will also first change, and I will put the name alarms and select first this box, then press the control key and then select this alarm. Okay, perfect. Now save it. Okay, I will close this one. Okay, now okay, I will close this one also. Okay, so I will make sure all the my panel is saved. Okay. Now I will either go here in the system management and then setting and panel topology, or you can from module and system panel topology, you can also navigate from here. Okay. Now here in the previous tutorial video, we already created here some of the pages. Either I can modify this one, either I can delete it. Okay. For example, I will modify this, I can delete and create a new. So I will modify this existing one. So right click, node property. So here I will change the first this name and I will put the page name setting. Okay, click OK. And I will, as I change my page name, I will also change from here the page name. Okay, that is the right now the setting. Okay, after that I will also change this icon. I want the left side. I just show left side. I want to show some icon. So I want to use this Panel Topology Framework icons. From here, the project just expand it. Select this picture. Then click over the white. For example, the setting icon. I want to put something from here. So I will select this setting icon, open, that's it, and just click over the OK. Now page 2 I will also modify, right click, node property. First I will change this name. I will put like trend, click OK. From here I will change the my panel, that is the trend, and click open. Okay, now I will change the icon also. From here, I will select white color analyzer, and this is my icon. Okay, click OK. Now I will add one more panel, that is for alarms. Right click, insert child node, and from here I will put the name alarm. Okay, then I will link my panel, that is here, select it. Then I will select the icon, white, and from here I will select this one icon and click OK. Now we configure, this is our main screen that we already configured in the previous tutorial, that is the overview screen. Okay, then we configure setting, trend and alarm. Now click over the save, click yes, it will update, and then close it. Now I will restart, I will shut down it. Click here, click over the, put the username and password. So here you can see, if you expand it from here, here we have the setting area. If you click it here, then we have the trend area, and then we have the alarm area. Here you can see this is not covering entire page. We'll fix it. Like we will go back here in the configuration area, and first we'll check the setting area resolution. We'll put here 81850 and 900, and the trend also 1850 and 900. Our alarm page was coming perfectly, so we'll match the same resolution. For the setting, I will save it. for trend, I will save it, this changes. And if I will expand it, okay, this one also same resolution, 1850. So if I will change now screen, so you can find it now my setting, my trend, my alarm, this resolution is perfectly the same. So here you can see we receive here icon also I'm getting, and the text also here perfectly. It's navigating from between the different screens. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure panel topology navigations between different panels. We learn how we can configure different panel, how we can create our panel, different screens, and from different screen, how we can configure here different navigations. So thanks for watching this video.